All right, we just paid $1 to go see the thing in Arizona. So we're going to go see what the thing is. I don't think this is the thing yet. I think this is the... Oh look, there's big old footprints along the ground. We gotta follow the footprints to find the thing. Meanwhile, I got some interesting things to look at on the way.
Yeah.
1849 covered wagon.
Look at them brakes. You think them brakes will stop us going down mountain?
Oh yeah. (1932) Buick.
It's a thing for transportation.
1937 Rolls Royce.
By Adolf Hitler, it can't be proved.
This antique car was believed to have been used by Adolf Hitler, but it can't be proved.
That's
Look at the bondage cage. It's getting weirder and weirder, Randy says. Old race car. Oh, look, is that the thing?
That is not the thing. There's no way its feet are this big. It's not that big.
That's true.
He would probably shit on me though, and he's really wishing he didn't see the thing.
We get to go down a path through like what looks like people's backyards. I know, right? But we're still following the footprints. We paid $1. We got $1. We got $1. We got $1. Hey, 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 hey.
Some guy in 50 minutes.
Ooh, caution. Watch out for critters.
Oh yeah. Oh, there could be rattlesnakes and squirrels.
Ooh, there might be a snake in here. Arizona snake hiding from the sun. All right.
There's more.
More interesting things to look at, but still no things. The footprints keep going. Well, you get a lot for your $1.
I guess it would be worth it.
All these little wood figurines over here.
Ooh, old books.
Ooh.
The White House cookbook. Look at that shit.
What are they cooking at the White House?
The hell are these things up top? It's like I took driftwood and just painted them.
Yeah, it's just driftwood art up there. Ma Bell has come a long way.
That's a little spider. It was dried out. See what maybe it is, big old spider thing.
All right, back to the footprints. And still going behind people's houses. I feel like a creeper back here. I paid $1 to be a voyeur. I feel like I paid $1 to be a voyeur. Another caution sign for critters. Oh, there's more pigeons. Here lies the thing. What is it? The thing. It must be in this case.
Here we go. Here's the thing. Is it real?
No, it's not real.
I don't know. It looks pretty real.
It's getting glare on my phone. I'm seeing my own
No.
reflection. It's hard to see it, but it's a mother and child mummy with the sombrero hiding. So there's the thing. Isn't that exciting? Man, just try to get a better look.
I think it's real.
According to the internet, it was faked,
Oh,
but
really?
it was like 100 years ago. Some guy created it for a freak show.
Who is covered? That's for sure.
But according to the internet, some guy created it for a freak show like 100 years ago. And this place decided, they got it somehow and decided to create the whole stop around this. Well, there's actually a lot to see for $1, isn't there?
Yeah. That's kind of tricky.
I thought it was just a small room with like that, you know?
Yeah.
But apparently there's quite a bit here.
Old paintings, old paintings, worth anything.
I'm sure it is. That's why they got it all blocked off, I guess. But
Driftwood art's kind of creepy too.
you don't like the driftwood art?
That looks like a monkey. There's a monkey.
There's that. Oh, right there. Got driftwood art hanging all along the top here. Hey, the steps keep going.
Maybe there's more things.
Maybe. But we are in, where are we? Somewhere in Arizona. I don't know the name of the town. I'll post it on Facebook when I post this. You know right where we are. And you go into the gift shop, and for $1, you get to go check all this out. Spain, 1703. Maybe this circles around and goes back to the, back to the store. I don't know. Old Coca-Cola machines. From back in the day when they actually had Coke in the product. Yeah, it just goes right back into the store. Yep, that's the end of the tour, so hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.